Hello everybody to this course about Node.js. So this course is about uh, developing web using JavaScript backend. And when we talk about JavaScript backend, it means we are talking about Node.js especially. So first we have to install Node.js, and we are going to give you an example of the first program that you can write, a hello world, a simple hello world that you can write in Node.js. So you can add source and after it install to install. In general, if you are going to install it using command line under Linux, and if you want to use it under Windows, just go to download and you can install have a binary from the official website uh, for different platforms and different OS. So, and here is the documentation. Just follow the documentation in the website, in the Node.js website. There is a lot of things to learn about different version and also features, and also all the reference documentation for the Node.js API. For the Node.js API, there is a lot of thing to learn about how to do HTTP request, how to open files, create files, debugging, everything that you want everything that you want in your application, in your full stack application. You can find examples here in this website. So here I installed already my Node.js version, and if you want to check about if you have your Node.js version, just tap Node.js dot version, so you can get the actual version installed in your system. Here I have 8.890 as a version, as the installed version. And when you install your Node.js, npm is installed already. Both of them are answered in the same time. So here I'm going to create a hello world example, so that you can start from here, and you are going to know how to write and your code, and how to execute your code, and how to get the result in the command line. So here I'm going to just to display the hello world in the output, and you can start from here and follow the documentation in the website to get more information about how to use more advanced Node.js API. So you can execute your code. You should save it in JS extension, and you type just node hello world js your file.js, and you get the result. So this is the first program that you can write, and if you have question, just put it in the comment. I will answer it in the following course in my channel. Don't forget to follow, and thanks.